Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I would like to share you how to transform a photo to become a stunning oil painting, and here we will use this Capcut. How to do that? So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. So guys, the first step you can do, you can install this Capcut first, and don't worry because this Capcut can be also installed in the Android phone or the iOS phone or even in the PC guys. And after the installation process, then you can simply open it, and don't forget to do the login first with your email to get more chance and explore more this Capcut. And this will be the home page of this Capcut, and as you can see there are a lot of tools that you can do and try here. And after that I will go to the template here, and after that I will type on the searching section oil painting like this, and I have also the reason keyword. And as you can see there are a lot of template that you can try to transform your picture into the oil painting here. They are really beautiful, and each of this template has its own chance. For example, this template actually give you two chances to transform the picture into this oil painting, but since I have tried one, then I have to one left chance to use this template. And after that I will click this use template, and after you click this use template it will direct you into the section to select a picture from your gallery. And for example, you can choose this picture here, and it will be uploaded into these two sections, and you can simply click next and kindly wait for the result to let this Capcut to generate this picture to become the beautiful or stunning oil painting guys. So it will be applying the AI effect first, and after that this will be generated into the oil painting. And while waiting for this effect being applied, you can simply click minimize. And don't worry guys, because I have prepared the result for you guys. And also make sure that your connection is in good conditions. I will click minimize here, and don't worry because your task or your project won't be disappeared or being deleted. And you can simply searching for your current project into this project here, and as you can see even that or the picture is ready. And let's see the result. So this is the previews, and this is the picture. I'm sorry, on the right side will be the previews, and the left one is the picture that has been generated into the oil painting. Isn't that beautiful, right? So you can continue to click export to save it into your gallery, and click export again. So that's all guys, I hope this video found you helpful and entertaining, and don't forget to try this animation or this template. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.